Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this episode we will be learning how to delete a lineup in FC Mobile. Whether you want to start fresh with a new lineup or remove an old setup, first of all go ahead and launch open the FC Mobile game on your device and log in. Once you're inside the main homepage of FC Mobile, go ahead and tap on the club button at the bottom right corner. Once you do that, you'll end up in this club section. Go ahead and tap on My Team. Under My Team, click on Team Editing. Now, on the next page, tap on the gear icon right at the top left of your lineup, and then this will open up the lineup settings. To delete a lineup, tap the delete button right next to delete lineup. If you delete this lineup, your players will still be available in your roster. You can create new lineups through the manage lineups window. Tap on delete to delete the lineup, and in the pop-up click confirm to confirm your action. Soon after you do that, you will be able to delete a lineup in FC Mobile. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.